Well, good morning. I'm 5 News meteorologist Danny Cassidy. We did wind down the coverage there on 5 News Plus. Want to give you an update on air on Channel 5 that we are seeing things diminish for us, thankfully, across the region. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 9 o'clock for Franklin County, but that has been allowed to expire. So at 9 o'clock, that'll pop off the screen. And generally speaking, as we go through 9 to 10 o'clock, we will be seeing things diminish for us for the rest of this morning. I do want to say that, yes, technically, we still have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 a.m. later this morning. However, things have weakened. Eventually, that'll be allowed to expire, and we won't have to deal with any of that severe weather for the rest of today, thankfully. It's unfortunately what we're watching for is later tonight. Tonight, we could see some stronger thunderstorms starting about 2 a.m. A level 2 risk is in effect for the entire area until about 10 a.m. The main threats are going to be potentially up to ping pong ball size hail. Hail could be a little bit of a bigger concern for us tomorrow night, or excuse me, tonight instead of this morning, because the storm's going to form a little bit closer to us. Winds could be as high as 70 miles per hour, and tornadoes, just like we saw today, unfortunately, they're not zero. It could be very brief, but still could cause some damage, unfortunately. So I want to give you a quick look of what that's going to look like here on Futurecast. So those storms moved through this morning. The rest of today, we're dry, we're quiet. Nothing really going on too much, maybe a stray storm or two, but nothing to be concerned about. As we head into the tonight, Friday nights, into early Saturday, here's 2 o'clock. You're noticing those showers and storms forming off to our west, more of the single cell variety, which is where we could see that large hail. Eventually, it will develop into more of a wind threat. Here's 4 o'clock. You see that line become more organized, especially for northwest Arkansas. We see a lot of heavy rain with that, those damaging wind gusts, and unfortunately, yes, that tornado chance. Now as we head towards 7 a.m., the new line developing behind it, especially for the river valleys that moves through, hasn't really tapped into any energy yet. This is where we could see those strong to severe storms continue. That is 9 a.m., continuing to see that move through. And then I think by 10 o'clock, we'll see that clear out. And then we'll see maybe just a couple of scattered showers on the back end. But then after that, as we go towards the game at 4 o'clock at Baum-Walker Stadium, and really all across the region, we're seeing some sunshine, we're seeing quiet conditions, maybe on the warm, maybe on the muggy side. But in terms of anything, not really seeing anything for Saturday afternoon. Saturday night into early Sunday should be quiet, but then unfortunately we have yet another chance of severe weather Sunday night into early Monday. So again, unfortunately, there was some reports of some damage in Crawford County near the Van Buren area, so we'll have to see the assessments there. Also saw potential tornado in Sequoia County to the west of Sallisaw, so we'll have to watch that as well. Again, we're hoping everyone is okay out there after the severe weather. We get a break today. Another potential, unfortunately, tonight, and then another chance, a little bit more isolated Sunday night into early Monday. So that is it from me. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll have another update on the weather at the 5 News at noon.